Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Uminti ketnak boarding obu Tahir Mandal hakar penyo truk leber araja pausan kelayai Peitngor bha ban shim yekilat gelinti kibepentikna bagi Jingkieng hapung Umïam kan long kebasngan hakalet kawan. Habakaran cikilat petai kubor Mandal ulaong bakatnak boarding bat kami gelai Energy Corporation Limited klashim kia bah ke jinglong jingman jong ke Damsite bat ongru bahadien ke jing maramat ke Jingkieng Damsite lima ke dam rehabilitation and improvement project kelakam bin aram kindiat rewat lakat tau la bin rapru bagi jing perking banyak jika lihe kendayai beteng kenaman yada ke Jingshngaiñ jong ke Jingkieng.
Actually, as far Umïam bridge is concerned, we always tell as Umïam bridge, but for us in MEPGCL or MECL or in power department, we are more concerned with the health of the dam. And after the drip work that has been completed, seepage has been minimized, and we have restricted the passing of heavy vehicles considering the safety of the dam only. Now the question is that what it will be in near future when the lifespan is over. Yes, this is a challenging issue because Umïam Dam is supplementing water for 216 megawatt of the 4 units of Umïam, and also the new Umtrup power project near Barnihat. All the waters are going from Umïam reservoir only. This is a matter of concern. We are discussing also, but as of now we have not taken any concrete decisions. Hopefully it will be discussed and deliberation will be there that what it will be there. But technology is fast changing. So that way also maybe there will be some technology that the life can be further extended also. But nevertheless we are concerned. Yeah, we are constantly monitoring. That is there. Our people are stationed there. Even we have kept the police force there so that the safety of the dam is maintained. Discussion, I think NSPDCL, it is NSPDCL? NHIDCL, yeah. Actually, there is lots of discussion, and as per my information, NSIPDCL has been entrusted to find an alternative route and prepare the DPR for the same. I think work is on and it is in very advanced stage. We will be having an alternative bypass and it is required also because this bridge was when constructed and commissioned, it is in the year of 1965, way back. And that time the vehicle load capacity was also low. So considering that time, whatever the position was there, the bridge has been designed. Now many vehicles are carrying huge loads also. We need a different bridge with the load capacity and all these things. See, actually we have clarified many times that if any case if there is any case where such incident have happened, it will be brought to the notice of the concerned AEE from revenue section, and we will look into it. There are instances where billing is high because of previous underbilling, and the excess billing remain in the meter itself. So when a new meter reader or somebody have gone, that has been rebuilt. There are cases like that also, but we will request all the steam consumer, if there is such cases, please bring to the notice of the respective AEE of revenue section. So we'll look into it.